In this video, I'm going to show you how to export code from Base44. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a Base44 and then go to your project that you'd like to export the code for. So I'm on this baby monitor app that I just quickly put together here. So what we can do is go ahead and click on the three dots, click on files used in this page. And now depending what code you like to copy, you can go ahead and choose any code here or anything along this list, or we can go ahead and click on see all files and then go ahead and copy code like so. So you can search for which code you would like to copy. Now, another way to do this is to go back, click on preview and click on the three dots, and then we can export this project as a zip. So that's going to export all your code from your application. So you can click onto that, but you will need to upgrade your plan for this. So if you're on a free version, you'll need to upgrade your plan. So we can check out the prices here. So this is an all-in AU dollars, I'm pretty certain. So we got Elite, Pro, Builder, or Starter. So you can go ahead and just subscribe to the cheapest one if you want to go ahead and export your code.